Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. As much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.